Hi, my name is Scott Kelly, and today we're in Solvang, California, and we're at a vineyard in the wine country. We're working on a home here that is sort of an apartment, if you will, or an ADU on the vineyard. So there's no main house here, there's just the warehouse and the winemaking facility, the vineyards, of course, this beautiful pond. And the apartment that we're working on up here is a steel stud framed building, and it has the ephes system on the exterior. We're going to super insulate the interior walls with blown-in blanket fiberglass by Knauf Insulation, the Jetstream Ultra Premium system, which is chemical free. We're going to fill up 8-inch wall cavities, and on the interior wall we're going to install DuPont gray board, 1 inch of it, over the steel studs. We're not going to have any conduction from the steel studs into the interior of the space on the exterior of the walls, because we're going to have this ephes foam sandwich, we're going to have a blown-in blanket, and then we're going to have the gray board insulation on the inside. That'll be drywalled and it'll be finished off. So before we do all that, we're going to air seal everything, of course, and then we're going to install our foam board, and then we're going to install our fiberglass insulation. So we'll show you all that as we go. Okay, so here are some of the pieces and the parts of what we're going to do. We're going to do the foam on the walls, but up in the lid or the roof, we are going to use fabric. This is the fabric that we use. It's insul fiber. It's a little bit more thicker fiber than a lot of the blown-in blanket guys use. This stays a little bit more rigid for me. I like it, and I buy it specially. Just this from one vendor, actually. It's Cameron Ashley. Used to be J&R Products. So we're going to take this material and we're going to drape it over all the steel studs in the roof assembly, and then we're going to blow insulation over the top of that and fill the entire cavity. This is the insulation that we're going to use after we run it through the hopper. So here we go. We're doing something new today. What we're doing is we're going to attach our fabric, because we're going to do the blown-in blanket system on the walls of this steel stud building. We're going to fill up the cavities complete, and this is what I really like about the blown-in blanket system with fiberglass is you can see how the studs are formed and so forth, and this material goes right into every gap and just fills everything up beautifully. But in order to attach it, we had to come up with a new solution, and the way that we usually attach fabric to wood studs is we use pneumatic staplers, and we staple a staple every single inch, and then we have the fabric really nice and taut. But in this case, what we're doing is we're using caulking as adhesive instead of staples, and we're putting down beads of caulking. Then we're going to stretch the fabric over the caulking, and then we're going to work all of that with well, I'll call it tooling it in. So we'll use caulking tubes, and then we'll use plastic spatulas to basically spread out that bead that we're laying down right now. So once the fabric goes over the top of it, then we go over the bead of caulking with our plastic spatula tool, and we get that caulking to spread out so that it covers the whole stud, and so there's a lot of adhesion for the fabric to the stud. Now, like I said, we've never done this before, and it turns out it worked perfectly. In fact, we probably overdid it. We used a lot of OSI Quad Max, which is a real premium caulking material, and then we later shifted over to a adhesive from Loctite. But this is what it looks like when it's all insulated, filled to the brim right there, and everything is sticking beautifully. Nothing pulled apart, nothing pulled away. You can see how it's all spread out, that caulking bead, and that is a deep, full, packed wall. And that is how we insulate with the blown-in blanket steel stud walls. So there's some interior walls, and we've got a lot of work to do, you can see, but that's it for now.